My name is Chelsea from SIV Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to import data from an Excel sheet in VisionX. First, I'm going to create a new screen, which I will name Customers, as I will be importing a list of customers. After clicking Next, I want to choose a table as my layout, and further, I will use a standard web layout. After clicking Next again, I'm going to choose the first option, Take Data from a Spreadsheet. I have different options on entering my data. I can either go to my Excel sheet and copy and paste the relevant data, or I can simply upload the file as a whole. In the next step, it is going to analyze my data. I want to make sure that I check the first option, First Row Contains Labels, so that VisionX knows that the top row has our labels. Another important thing to note is that VisionX automatically looks for duplicate data. Here, we can see the country Austria. VisionX recognizes that it is entered multiple times and will create a combo box for the countries to reduce the amount of data needed and thus reduce the likelihood of error. The next step I will go over in another video, so right now let's just skip it and click Finish. Now our data model is generated and we are finished. As you can see, it has successfully imported the data from an Excel sheet. Thank you so much for watching.